What's going on YouTube? It's CutsbyCoast back with another video. Today we're gonna do an unboxing, and this one's real special because you already know, you know where I work at. You know I work at Klutch, but today we got the Babyliss Clutch Colorway. Yeah, we've been waiting on this one for a little bit, but it's finally here. So these are tool only product. Just go ahead and take them out the box and see how they're looking. Tool only, don't need the box anymore. Pop this out. And here we go, guys. So here is the neon, or the, as we call it, tennis ball clutch yellow colorway low pro, and this comes with your 22 teeth black MIM blade. It has black lever with the green screw. The quick release button is also black, so nice green and black theme here. And these come in a box. Set that over the side. It says tool only, but there is a little blade cover in this box and a cam follow. So, of course, if you're traveling, sitting them in your drawer or whatever, those are nice little things to have. Set that aside, and we also have the trimmer right here. Again, this is going to be the same as the other specs. These have 6,800 RPMs, and then the clipper has 6,800 RPMs as well. So these are the same as the other ones, the gray and the red and the Nightfall, but these are tool only. So yeah, again, the MIM blade has those oil reservoirs in there that help keep it cool for a longer duration, and it's a nice blade as well. So let's pull out this Low Pro FX, and in the trimmer box we have our trimmer right here. Again, same matching set, has all the low profile designs on there. And then you guys, if you do not have batteries and you're looking at these, the Desert Tan or the Matte Black edition, I would recommend buying the double battery with the charging dock. Down in here we have a cam follow for the trimmer, and then we also have a zero gap setter and a blade cover. Should all the way in. See on our battery here, we got some juice. So let's turn these on and do a sound test. So they're pretty quiet. Again, they are the low pros. And with that becomes, they're not going to be very loud either. So let's do a sound test on our trimmer with the Graphite 2.0 blade. So these sound good. I've already used them a little bit, but the thing is I hadn't zero gapped anything but the trimmer. So my video that's going to follow right after this is pretty much straight out the box. I had to zero gap because we're doing a ball fade. But the last thing on this list, the Clutch Green blow dryer. Now this is a little bit smaller than their last model, and it might have slightly less power, but look how compact this thing is. So here's the blow dryer. You know, for reference, this can't even see it behind my hand, that's how small it is. So very small, compact, but powerful blow dryer. I'm one of those people where I don't use a hook for my blow dryer. I lay it on my station, so I will be ready to lay the smaller one up and clear up some station space. With the blow dryer, the piece I just dropped is like the more distributed skinny nozzle. You're gonna get a diffuser, and it's supposed to be more contoured for the head, so it's not supposed to be as pointy. So that'll be a good addition. I don't have that right now. There's a pick attachment. I've never used that. And down in here you have a bunch of filters. Whenever you're cleaning this up, I always take off the end cap. Here's your plug-in. I always take off the end cap, and let me just show y'all. This end cap right here. So you twist it, pop it off, and here's your filter. And if it gets to be too dirty, you can spray it out, obviously, if you're gonna stay ahead of it, but they also just give you extra little filters in there so that you can just replace it if it becomes too much. So if you're somebody like me that checks it whenever you use it, not gonna be a problem. But yeah, so then you just screw that back on there, and over here on the side, we have our heat settings, heat and power, cold shot button right here in the front, and your on off switch is in the back. So I don't have anywhere to plug this in back here in the break room, but yeah, so this is the new Klutch yellow set. Might not mean too much to y'all, but this is our shop color, so this is pretty gas. I like this right here. So again, we're gonna set these up, start using them, and y'all let me know what y'all think.